Just a few weeks ago, the Formula One world was treated to its first glimpse of how the cars may look in 2021, in anticipation of a comprehensive new rule set. But that concept is still a work in progress. A few weeks before the surprise preview of F1's 2021 plans, we had to think about what we'd like to see for the next generation of rules. We threw together a few terrible sketches before handing them over to our 3D editor Matt, who has actual talent, to turn those doodles into a 3D model. Without further ado, here is our 2021 vision. We don't have a name for it just yet, but Racy McRaceface is certainly off the table. Before we get into it, here's a disclaimer. This is just what we'd like to see. We don't think 2021 cars will look entirely like this, but we've designed it with a similar intention in mind, to simplify the current design of cars, reduce the turbulent weight produced, and bring cars closer together on track. Let's kick off at the front, shall we? Building on the work done for 2019 to simplify the front wings, we've gone a step further. We've lopped off the maximum number of wing elements from 5 to 3, and insisted that the end plates have a reduced curvature. There's no foot plates or any of that nonsense. The nose makes full contact with the centre of the front wing mainplane. By adding that, the design is a nod to the noses of the 90s, before the raised mounting pylons became more popular. What we wanted to do here was reduce the current reliance on the aerodynamics on top of the car for downforce, simplifying the wing without completely nullifying the scope for development. The slant of the end plate is a little bit inspired by the design seen in the 1980s, complementing the shape of the nose. As we move further up the nose, we've got a rather lovely S-duct. It works in two ways. Firstly, to assist with the airflow's transition over the curvature of the chassis bulkhead, and secondly, it helps to feed the ducts further up. These ducts feed some carefully controlled airflow into the cockpit, which now has an aeroscreen, a hybrid between a perspex canopy and the